And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are wondering about this question, that is why you are searching the videos on YouTube. So don't worry, I'm here to help you. What is important to speak in English? It is just one thing, a vocabulary, and I'm here to improve your vocabulary. So let's start with some new and advanced words. Assimilate, to absorb, to learn thoroughly. Now I will make the sentence. To assimilate an idea is to take it in as thoroughly as if you had eaten it. Assuage. Soothe, to pacify, to ease the pain of belief. Birth was extremely angry, but I assuaged her by promising to leave the house and never return. Astute, keen in judgment. Maurice was an astute judge of character. He was very good at seeing what people are really like. Attrition, gradual wearing away, weakening or loss, a natural or expected decrease in numbers or size. Mr. Gregory did not have the heart to fire his fireworks. Audacity, boldness, reckless daring. Eagle's soaring leap off the top of the building was an act of great audacity. Augment, to make bigger, to add, to increase. The army augmented its attack by sending in a few thousands more. Auspicious, promising. A clear sky in the morning is an auspicious sign on the day of a picnic. Austere, unadorned, stern. The smith's house was very austere. There was no furniture in it. Autocratic, adjective ruling the absolute authority. The ruthless dictator's autocratic design ended when the rebels blew up his palace with a few thousand pounds. So we have done the words for the day. Now we'll do the some other words in the next video. But I would like to tell you, vocabulary is not just enough. You have to be familiar with the English. And I will tell you what are the ways which can be helpful to improve your English. So the one thing is, read English newspaper every day. Read book, read magazine, whatever you like. But you have to read at least for 30 minutes. Yes. Second thing, listen English media every day. Listen news channels, listen English songs or watch English movies. Very important, because you are not just watching, you are learning that how to speak. And finally, speak in front of mirror or record your own voice, make your own video on your smartphone. Whatever you have, you can do. If you do not have the smartphone, so speak in front of mirror at least for 10 to 20 minutes, because it will improve your confidence and you will be able to speak in English with the real people. So if you do these easy things, you not just even speak in English, but you will improve your fluency and your confidence as well. And I would like to tell you that English is not just a language, it is a global language. And if you want to go for overseas studies or you want to get a job in MNC companies, so English is the key to success. You have to improve your English anyway. So English can improve your lifestyle, can get you a job. That is why you have to learn English, and I'm here to help you in your English journey. So I believe that's all for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.